Amigo Chunky is a wonderfully thick yarn with a gorgeous and bouncy volume. It's produced in 100% Hobbii acrylic in a really good quality. And the wide range of beautiful colors screams creative choices. Hobbii stands for high bulk. It is a production technique where you use steam and pressure to make the fiber contract a little and curl so that it can become fuller. The result is a light, soft yarn that is both comfortable to work with and to wear. With the big puffy 100-gram skeins, you will quickly see results. Amigo Chunky works best on a size 7mm hook or needle and up. It is therefore ideal for thick sweaters, cardigans, blankets, scarves, and so many more. The airy yarn keeps you warm and will not get too heavy. The great thing is that Amigo is machine washable at 30 degrees and it's perfect for everyday use. Colors and shape will hold up wash after wash. If you're allergic to wool, or if you want to opt out of animal fibers for other reasons, you can easily replace it with Amigo and get a soft and lovely result.